I'm Dilini and I'm a master's student doing my master's in data science. I found the workshop as a very resourceful event where I can learn something which I've never heard before about personality development, emotional intelligence, and where I can explore myself a bit more and where I can improve my strengths.
This workshop is part of the criteria to get your Aspire done. So this workshop has been really amazing. I'm really happy with myself for attending this workshop, and basically this workshop kind of makes me to bring myself out in front of me.
I think while we were doing the workshops, I was every time realizing so much about myself. For example, there were so many different strengths that I never knew I had. I realized them, and I think once I had a better understanding of what are my core values and my strengths, I learned how to manage myself and my time in a better way. So I learned that if we can actually collaborate and integrate, we can reach the same purpose and in a much more efficient way. The biggest learning that I had for me was that I realized that I was good at something that I never really thought I was.
So I first came across Aspire on UniSA online, and it was really around a personal choice because I was struggling at the time of having come out of work, and then I was just doing part-time work. And so I was thinking, what are the sort of things that in a safe environment at the university that I could do that will help me personally to maybe achieve some of those things that I've been wanting to do whilst working but not being able to have that time. And so that's where I discovered Aspire. From my experience, my advice is that it's a personal choice, but having to make the decision, it will take you places.